Welcome to another room tour with the Tee Lyfe. I want to show you guys, way back about 7 years ago, you can find us in room 1134, but today we are in a one-bedroom king suite at the JW Marriott here in Bloomington, Minnesota, Mall of America, in room 1007, so 007. I will off the bat first tell you that this room already is better than that corner suite, which back in the day we thought was better. Space-wise, amenities are the same, a little bit different, but it's a great space. So we are in the hallway, you could say. There's a two-part hallway. One goes towards the bathroom, the other goes towards the living room. So why don't you come on in? Let's go to the living room, where my crew, we had 2 kiddos back in 2018. And now we have 3, so there are 5 of us. So welcome to the living room, where this is where our crew, say hi everybody, hi, is going to be sleeping. Over here by Ethan, we have a pull-out bed, so that can fit 2 people. The other side of this couch, they're kind of fighting over it. Someone can sleep here, making it a 3-person fit. I will actually tell you that this is the exact same. They have not changed their decor since 2018. Come over here by the window. Let's get the money shot. This is another reason why we love staying at this hotel, with views of the airport, #Delta, as well as the city. We really, really love staying attached. It just cuts down on drive time and the busyness of the cities. That is also why you pay for this room. We're also a family of 5, that's why too. Come over here, we have a desk. Plenty of storage in here. I remember back in the day I said it's hard to find. It is a weird place for a fridge, but it is. Don't forget to turn that on because it takes a couple hours too. It would make sense over here, but that's okay. So we have a wet dry bar. What I did notice is they upgraded the size of their water. They were smaller, but Voss waters, there is no sign that says for purchase, so I believe it's complimentary. We can check it. In here we have a safe pull-out coffee maker, amenities if you choose to do it. I do not drink the coffee. More storage, we have snacks in here. I don't know, not strong enough. We bring our own waters. Let's go in here. Let's check out the king bed room, the master suite. This is significantly larger if you guys get a chance to compare bedrooms, so you can kind of see the corner suite room. This is significantly larger, very big. In that other room, it's basically only here. The bed is very plush. We have plenty of storage. We are in the tech age, right? So we've got plenty of plugs. The kids also noticed that there's a beautiful shimmer to it. Great storage here if you want to unload, unpack, get comfortable. Someone already found a nourishing start. We have, should that be my new thing? We can get room service. We've never done it because usually we're out and about or we go find breakfast somewhere else. Pretty large TV. There's a smaller TV in the other room. Similar view here. This must be the front. This must be a main entrance. That's what it looks like. I feel like we're in the front of the mall this time, whereas I think we were a little bit far back in that corner suite. Come on, let's go check out the, closet. Nice little reading nook. I do want to say, those of you that follow me know a robe. It's not a trip without a robe to change into. Comes with 2, plenty of storage. Also, let it be known, we do not fall for the dry cleaning trap. In Singapore, for the cost of 1 shirt, we were able to do a suitcase full. So just keep that in mind. I will tell you that this bathroom is very similar to the other corner suite. There was a tub as well as a stand-up shower, which is lovely for the size of our family. They did change out the amenities from 2018, same company, different bottle. You will find a note within your room that you can purchase those for $45. Women, we can shave our legs in style. No more doing splits in the shower. And there's no rain head. They did change that off. Coming over here, they probably have not replaced those in years because that is the exact same amenity kit. This is a little simpler. It's sleek. We have cleansing wipe, face wash. There's where you would find your disclaimer if you'd like to purchase the amenities. We have towels, blow dryer, don't you guys worry. And then this is where it is also a little bit different. The other bathroom was just a poop closet for the toilet. This one has a separate sink. So if you just want to finish your business, everybody's in here, and you want to do your hair, makeup, you can close both doors and have additional privacy. I will say the message also is if you forget something and you need other amenities for your stay, you can feel free to contact the front desk. So we're going to leave the bathroom, come back into the foyer for the final closet. In here you'll find more hangers, more dry cleaning, extra bedding, which is what we're going to use, as well as an ironing board and an iron. So this room, I will say, we were going to ask for $1134, and I am so glad that we chose a different room, or they gave us a different room, because this one is much, much bigger for the size of our family. That being said, welcome to room 1007 at the JW Marriott in Bloomington, Minnesota, Mall of America. We will see you later.